To change the right app on your lock screen in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen. And then tap lock screen thumbnail to go to the screen where you can edit your lock screen. As a note, if you have enabled touch and hold to edit lock screen, you can go to this screen by tapping and holding your lock screen. Now tap the right app icon. Next, select the desired app. As the example, we will select Google Assistant app. And then tap done button to save the change. Now Google Assistant will be set as the right app in the lock screen, which means you can access this app quickly from your lock screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.